Welcome to the speaking section of IELTS examination. My name is Sapna Dhameja and I would be your examiner for this part of the test, and this test would be recorded. May I know your full name, please?
Definitely, my full name is Dr. Jyoti Gill.
How may I address you?
You can call me with my first name, Jyoti.
Okay. May I see your identification, please?
Yes, here is my passport.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Jyoti. Where do you come from, Jyoti?
I hail from a small town, Kalarbani, nearby district Hisar, under the state Haryana and in the northern part of the India.
Are you working or a student?
I am working under the Smarpan Hospital as a medical officer.
Okay. Now, few questions will be based on pets and animals. What is your favorite animal and why?
Actually, I have two pet, including a dog and a cat. Among the above, my favorite one is the dog because I believe that they are the truly companion of the human being.
Okay. Where do you prefer to keep your pet, indoor or outdoors?
As I'm doctor by profession, so I understand the cons to keep the animal inside the home. So that's why I prefer to remain outside.
Okay. Before proceeding further to this interview, here I would like to inform at Your IELTS partner, we are offering online classes for reading, writing, listening, and speaking as well. If you guys wish to enroll, then you can. First of all, you can book free demo class, and later on, you can enroll in our classes. The number is displayed either in the pin comment or in the description. You can write WhatsApp message or you can contact us. Thank you so much. Have you ever had a pet before?
As I vividly remembered, 2 years ago, I had a breed dog named Bujo, which was died due to senescence.
What is the most popular animal in India?
According to my opinion, the most popular animal is cow in India because in some community it is worshipped as a god, as well as cow milk is the only source for some peoples for their economical value.
Now, few questions will be based on hobbies. Do you have any hobbies?
Definitely. I have a lot of hobbies, including waking up early in the morning, playing the sports like badminton and cricket, as well as watching movies in the free time and reading books in my leisure time.
Okay. Did you have any hobbies when you were a child?
Definitely, when I was a child, then I usually prefer to wake up early in the morning. And that time, I prefer cricket moreover than badminton.
Okay. Do you have any hobby that you have had since your childhood?
As I recalled myself, then when I was in my childhood, then I wake up early in the morning and go to a morning walk, which I still maintain till now.
Okay. Do you have same hobbies as your family members have?
Well, I denied to this statement. According to me, my parents and my family, other family members have the different hobbies, but some of the hobbies are matched. Like my mother also wake up early in the morning.
Okay. Now, few questions will be based on teachers. Do you want to be a teacher in the future, Jyoti?
Definitely, if I will get a chance to become a teacher, then definitely I will do because it is my passion. And apart from this, in my college time, I also taught the biology to poor children.
Do you have a teacher from your past that you still remember?
Definitely, I remembered my principal at early childhood elementary school, and he is one of the hardworking and admirable teacher according to me.
Are you still in contact with your primary school teachers?
Definitely, I still contact with my principal at my elementary school, and when I stuck in any problem related to my career or I'm in dilemma, then I definitely call to him, and he always gave me a right advice, and his suggestion always prove right for me.
Do you have favorite teachers?
Definitely, I have two favorite teacher, which is one from my elementary school, which I already discussed. He is my principal at elementary school, and one from my college, and he is my gynecology department HOD.
Okay, yes. This is end of the part one. Now I'm going to give you cue card. This is a cue card, and if you wish to make notes, you can use paper and pencil for making notes. And I'm giving you 1 minute to plan your answer, and you will have to speak between 1 and 2 minutes. Okay, yes.
Well, in today's competitive world, a good service play a crucial role to maintaining and retaining as well as attracting the customers. Moreover, today I would like to talk about a good service received by me at Vasundhara Sari store at Tohana. A couple of days ago, I visited this place for I wanted to purchase this sari for my friend wedding. She belongs to the different uh, culture as well as state, and her wedding attire was totally different from my traditional one, which is suit and salwar. So I was a bit confused, and when a sale assistant noticed me, she came toward me and she welcomed me, and it left a truly a long lasting impression and positive impression on me. Then at that moment I told her my problem, and she started to show me the sarees according to my choice and taste. She showed me different varieties of the sarees, including the Georgette and silk sari and velvet as well as the Banarsi sari. At last, I decided to purchase a chiffon sari, which is very elegant, and also she helped me in choosing my blouse design because I did not know about it. And during the time of the shopping, she also offered me some refreshment at the end. When I left the store at that moment, she told me, ma'am, you are my 100 customers, so she gave me a free sari gift. When I catch this, then I was over the moon because it was a biggest thing for me. And in the end, I found that their customer service are really admirable, and I also suggested to my some of friend and relative who wanted to purchase the sari.
Okay. So when you catch or when you receive that sari in the end, it was free, of course. You received it. Okay, fine. So this is end of the cue card, Jyoti. I'm going to ask some follow-up questions. Can consumption drive economic growth?
Definitely, consumption drives the economical growth. If some products are used, then definitely to produce this product, the demand will become, and according to it, the raw material as well as the workers are needed. So definitely, it boosts the economy of some country.
Okay, what are the advantages and disadvantages of online shopping?
There are a plethora of the merit and demerit of online shopping. Firstly, I talk about the merits. It saves the time because by clicking a single button, one can give anything whatever they want, and also the some shopping apps. Gives us a special discount as well as vouchers by which it economically help us. Apart from this, the demerits, if I'm talking about, then we are not touch that particular product which we wanted to purchase it. So also in addition to this, in returning, I found many difficulties. So I said that these are the demerits of the online shopping.
What are the difference between online shopping and in-store shopping?
Actually, online shopping is the time saving, and as well as sometime it also help to save the money. The offline shopping is the real check of any kind of product, as well as the quality and the quantity of the product. And also by bargaining, one can reduce the price of particular product.
Mm-hmm. Why some people not like shopping in small shops?
According to my opinion, in the small shop, the variety are very limited, and also they have only local variety, and their rate are very high. So that's why people's not preferred to purchase anything from the small town shops.
Okay. What are the advantages and disadvantages of shopping in small shops?
In the small shops, the advantage is to purchase that you are found a traditional variety if they wanted to purchase it. And also the other advantages which I found in my life is they are very near to their hometown, so it reduce or cut down the transport charges. But if I'm talking about the demerits, then their variety are very limited, as well as they are very costly, so it also hampers the finance of a person.
Okay. Why are shopping malls so popular in India?
As per my opinion, the shopping malls is the place where in one roof one can get the entertainment as well as shopping and other beverage or drinking things, refreshments. So by going to a shopping purpose, one can do another activity as well. So that's why, according to my opinion, the shopping malls are very popular in India nowadays.
Good. This is end of the test. Thank you so much.